This simple children's storybook has generated an impressive $175 in passive income. Today, I will share with you how to launch a similar business that can generate a significant amount of passive income. The process starts with developing a book concept, writing the story, and creating a high-quality illustrations with the help of AI technology. If you're interested in making passive income, stay tuned until the end of this video because I guarantee it will provide you valuable information that you won't find anywhere else. Welcome to Digi Hacks with Polly. This channel is where we learn more to earn more. I'm so excited to dive into a remarkable business opportunity that has the power to generate a substantial amount of passive income. So I came across this idea when browsing Amazon for potential passive income opportunities, and I discovered a children's storybook product that seemed ordinary at first, but upon further research, I was amazed by the earnings that these sellers were making. For instance, one book received 15,022 ratings, and if you multiply that by the book's price of approximately $11.67, the seller made over $175,306 just from that one book. And another book received 2,167 ratings, resulting into over $23,500 in terms of earnings. But the craziest part is that you can publish these books for free using Amazon KDP from any part of the world. That's why I decided to make this video to help people make money with this method by generating passive income while you are asleep. To create a great storybook for kids, you need a story idea. I had an idea in mind about Catty and his cat Kitty, but in case you don't have any idea, worry not, because ChatGPT is there to help you. Okay, so I asked ChatGPT to write a story idea of a boy Catty and his cat Kitty, and it should be for kids that are between 4 to 10 years. Okay, so the AI generated the list of chapters and the scenes. So Catty is a curious and imaginative young boy who has a special bond with his cat, the kitty, yeah? But I realized the language that was used by the AI was a bit complex. So I asked the chatbot to rewrite in a simple language that the kid can understand, and in seconds, all the chapters were ready to be turned into a book. Right, so if you've been enjoying this video so far, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification button to get such insights. A great story needs great illustrations to accompany it. Hiring an artist for custom illustration, of course, can be expensive. But what if I told you that the images that you see were created using an AI art generator, and it's completely free? With the help of the Leonardo.ai, to access it for free, you just need to Google Leonardo.ai and just register, right? So once you are on Leonardo.ai, you now generate images by providing a prompt. And for our storybook, I copied the story summary to the prompt, and then Leonardo.ai generated several images, and I repeated the prompt until I got the desired images, right? So I selected the one I liked most, repeated the process for all the chapters, generating all the illustrations that I needed in about 10 minutes, right? So now that we have all the illustrations ready, it's time to create a professional looking storybook by combining the text generated by ChatGPT and the images generated by Leonardo.ai. Now visit canva.com and search for storybook. And now click on create blank storybook. Then now upload your AI generated images and add the corresponding story text on top of each image, adjusting the color, font, and style to your liking. Duplicate the template for each chapter, maintaining a consistent style throughout the book. And finally, download your storybook as a PDF. The last step is to publish your book on Amazon to start earning passive income. Although I cannot explain the entire process here, there are numerous YouTube tutorials available and they provide step-by-step instructions. And of course, if you want me to do a video on the same, on how to sign on KDP, just comment and I will be glad to do so. Then also, if you like more insight about Leonardo.ai and how to create consistent illustrations, leave a comment too and I'll do that, right? So basically, in summary, what you need to have is to use ChatGPT to generate your story idea. Then secondly is to create an outline with chapters. Then using Leonardo.ai for illustrations. Then combine text and images using Canva and save it as a PDF. Then now upload your book to Amazon KDP. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more helpful content. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care.